All right, so today we're out here by the water to do a test with the DJI FPV drone. And we're gonna be testing these. These are some aftermarket props. I've also got a set of these stock props from the FPV drone, but I picked up these and these, one set from Amazon, one set from Pyro Drone. I wanna see if these props that are a fraction of the cost are actually safe to use. And I figured the best place to test new things out is over the water. Not really recommended, but let's get started. Alrighty, so one of the biggest gripes I've had with the FPV drone since I've gotten it is the props. They're incredibly expensive. Not only are they expensive, if you nick the slightest thing with the prop, they end up getting bent up, broken, or gouged. So these are a set of props I picked up on Amazon. Now these props here, I don't even know the name. You need to cut off your tongue to say the name, but they cost about $9.45 a piece if you divide it in two, because they come in a set of two for $18.99. They took 12 million years to reach me, which is twice the time it took for Pyro Drone to ship these props to me, which, let me get them. These are the, fuck me, I just dropped props. These are the Drone Tech props. They come in a set of 4. They are $5.99 or $6.99. Either or way, they are much less than the props that you're going to buy from DJI. Let me pick up this prop before it blows away. Yep, there it is. All right, so these props are $6.99 confirmed. I'll have a link in the description below if you want to check it out, not an affiliate link. But they do feel a lot more familiar to me because the props I'm used to feel sort of similar to this, which if I had to guess, I would say these are probably going to be a little bit more durable against nicks and cuts in grass. So we're going to fly each of these props for about 2 minutes a piece. I'm going to film it, bring it back, land, let you know if I notice any sort of performance degradation. Blah, blah, blah. Basically, I'm gonna let you know if you should fucking buy them. All right, let's go fly. All right, so I only got 30% left of battery left on my goggles because I'm an idiot and didn't bring another set. But let's go ahead and start off with these no-name props from Amazon. Oh boy, and it is windy out. Really noticing anything. All right, little roll, no issue. Hear a car. Ooh, looks like a Toyota Camry. Can we be faster than them? Oh. And we got a motorcycle. Yep. A little scooter. Can we be faster than them? You know, we'll break up here. All right, let's bring it in. These performed adequately, I think. Oh, I'm getting a vibration. Do you hear that? What is that? You hear that vibration? I don't know if you can hear it. All right, that's weird. Okay, so on these Amazon props, I was getting some weird sounds out of the motor. It's weird. I don't know if you guys could hear that, but I was getting a very strange vibration. It doesn't appear like anything's loose, but that was weird. It was a very strange vibrating sound. All right, let's try the props from Pyro Drone, see if we still get that sound. Okay. All right, so now these are the props from Pyro Drone. These are made by a company called Drone Tech. These are $6.99 for a complete set of 4. They come in 2 colors. They come in this green color, maybe hard to see on camera, and they come in a clear gray. Let's go ahead and take it up and fly it. So the previous props that I had from Amazon, I was getting a crazy vibration sound. Definitely didn't make me feel very confident in them. Let's look, we're gonna be at 20 degrees. All right, I'm recording on goggles and helmet, or I should say I'm recording on goggles and the drone. Let's go ahead and take it up. All right, so I'm not seeing the bobble I was getting with those other props. I mean, it is windy. Don't get me wrong, it's windy. But with the other props, there was a slight little bobble to them. I'm wondering if maybe in shipping, one of the props could have been out of balance. I don't know. So today, my brother sends me a photo. They caught a tiger shark in the river over here. A tiger shark. That's pretty wild. So I'm not gonna be going in the water, so I gotta worry about alligators and tiger sharks and all sorts of shit. So these are actually performing very close to stock. I feel pretty good with these. I'm feeling really good about these. These don't have that crazy vibration. Let's see if it has that sound though. All right, line of sight thanks to my lost mount. Now these don't have that vibration. I don't know if you could hear that before, but before there was like this noise. I'll fly in standard mode. Again, I'm line of sighting it. My goggles are off thanks to this mount. I can see exactly where I'm going. Pretty cool. There you are. All right. So this one, I don't have any problems with this. These are actually great. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw the stock DJI props on. I just wanna, make a final assessment here before I say which is worth your money, because these are 15 bucks a piece right here. These are the stock props, 15 bucks a piece for stock props. A little pricey if you ask me, but there we go. All right, so stock props are on. We'll take this up for a flight. All right, flipping it into manual mode. can't see it, but I'm over here Richard Pryoring as I'm doing these maneuvers. Terrible, terrible habit to have. God bless it anyways. All right, so the stock props are fine. Are they $15 fine? I don't know. Flip-flop gang. All right, I want to go ahead and test out the those Amazon props again really quick, just to hear if we can hear that sound. All right, so I'm making sure these are all secure. A little curious. I was getting such a weird sound out of these, and none of them appeared to be bent, mind you, but they just definitely had a peculiar sound to them. All right, so all of them are definitely tight, best of my knowledge. Let's try taking off again. See if we hear that sound. Wow, that could have ended badly. That could have ended badly. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh, shit. I almost landed the fucking drone in the water. Wow. All right, so there's definitely a problem with these props, these Amazon props. They're more money than the Pyro Drone props, and they're louder. I don't know if you can hear that sound, but definitely has like a vibration. Doesn't sound safe. I don't feel comfortable flying them, so I'm not even gonna list them in the description below. Even though they're blue and they look cool, they sound like shit, which makes me scared. All right, so are aftermarket props safe to use on the DJI FPV? Well, that is going to be a yes and no answer, because yes, if you get them from a reputable source such as Pyro Drone, Race Day Quads, or any other distributor that sells the FPV drone along with their accessories, chances are they've been vetted and produced by a reputable company. But these Amazon and eBay props that look cool probably are not balanced correctly and may lead to catastrophic failure of your equipment prematurely. And again, this is why one of the reasons why I test this stuff over the water, because if it's going to fail, the worst thing that's going to happen is it's going to smash into the water and it's not going to hurt anybody whatsoever, which is a good thing. You did see I almost did lose it over here. I did almost crash it into the water. That was unintentional. I'm an idiot. I am an idiot. But there you go. Link will be in the description for the drone tech props and the FPV props. If you, like I said, if you want to spend that extra 15 bucks, I don't see it. I'm not going to put a link for those other props because honestly, those are a piece of shit, which is disappointing because it's an Amazon affiliate link. So I could have made money on them, but I'm not going to watch people crash their shit to make money. Fuck that. If you do want to support the channel, you can head over to the shop, OriginaldoBo store.com. That's where all my 3D prints are. If you want to get yourself a lost mount, those are there as well. If not, that's fine. If you just want to tell me I'm a fucking asshole and I should release the STL file, I'll accept that as well. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Stay original.